Curse on Rajasthan's Kiradu temple that turns humans into stones. Somewhere in the deserted land of Kiradu, once Kiradkot, are 5 temples where no one dares to stay overnight. Reason? These temples are cursed to turn any human into stone. The curse on Rajasthan's Kiradu temple is a spell so powerful that turns into stone anyone who dares stays overnight in its premises. Located around 35 kilometers from Badmer, somewhere in the Thar desert is Kiradu temple, the unexplored Khajuraho of Rajasthan. These temples are carved with erotic architecture in typical Solanki style, which has turned it into a newfound tourist spot. On reaching, you will be astonished to see that the deserted temples have an unnatural atmosphere. The giant gate, now rusting, is forever locked, and anyone who wishes to enter has to manage through a tiny gate beside the wall. According to legends, the Kiradu was originally known as Kiradkot, which was ruled by the Kirad clan of Rajputs back in 6th century. The inhabitants of Kiradu village were the most prosperous and true devotees of Lord Shiva, which explains why some of these temples are dedicated to Lord Shiva. In the 12th century, the kingdom of Kiradu was ruled by King Someshwar of the Parmar dynasty. It is believed that once during his reign, Turushkas tried invading and caused immense damage to Kiradu. King Someshwar feared any more foreign invasion as the place was near the foothills of beautiful mountains. Hence he invited a great sage in order to restore safety and prosperity of the kingdom. The sage was accompanied by his disciple, whom he left behind for the sake of the kingdom. As the kingdom regained its prosperity, they totally forgot about the sage's disciple. One day the disciple fell ill and none except a potter's wife came to his aid. She took a great deal of care for him. When sage returned, he became aware of the people's neglect towards his disciple. Enraged, he cursed the entire kingdom, saying, "A place which has no humanity must not be burdened with humankind." He cursed the entire kingdom to turn into stone except the potter's wife, who he spared because of her service to his ailing disciple. The sage ordered her to leave the kingdom before evening, or else she would be cursed too, and also asked her to walk straight ahead and not turn over. She did so as told, but soon curiosity took on the best of her. Once reaching the outskirts of the kingdom, she turned back to see if the curse really worked, and so she too was turned into a stone. Though there has been no scientific evidence to prove the existence of the curse so far, but it is also a fact that no one has until this day dared to stay beyond sunset around Kiradu temples. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.